Hello guys, today we will learn to add two numbers in Python. So today we will write a program to add two numbers in Python. For this, first of all declare variables. Let's take a equal to 5 and b equal to 10. Now let's declare a third variable c, which stores the value of a plus b. Now to get result, print variable c. Now run the program and you will get the output 15. Thank you for watching.